Dylan's got his new boat. Thing screams. You're doing good with it, bud. The Venom boat. This is the little one. They got bigger ones. Gotta bank those turns. Nice. Bring it in close. There you go. Not too close. Don't bring it to shore. There you go. Meow. Oh, it's got reverse too, huh? Yeah, that might flood the boat. Don't do that. There it goes. Bring it back, not too far. I'm not going swimming today. Oh, bring it back in. That means the battery's getting low. Bring it back right to your feet, running on shore. Bring it in right now. There you go. Right to your feet. Go, go, go. Good job. All right, we got it back.